Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Violet color, blue color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, light green color, dark green color, black color, red color, peacock green color, orange color. Let's draw the shape. This is red color. Heptagon. Square. Circle. Triangle. Trefoil. Cross. Cross. Light green color. Heptagon. 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 Light green color. Light purple color. Square. 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 Purple color. Gray color. Circle. 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 Light gray color. Light orange color. Triangle. Triangle. Light orange color. Pink color. Trefoil. 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 Pink color. Dark green color. Cross. 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 light green color, light purple color, light grey color, light orange color, light pink color, dark green color, heptagon, square, circle, triangle, trefoil, cross. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.